MNQ on the 4.
Hello everyone, this is my daily trade recap, and this is the trade number 1.
MNQ on the 4.
Let's see, here I went long of the Super AO on the wave, Super Dot on the 9s, Super Power Headshot on the 4s, and HMD on the 6s. I waited for the buyers to step in and I got long.
Two finger NQ on the 36.
There was
Two
a
finger
lot
NQ on the
of buying.
36.
Exit.
But the price was not reacting to the buying. Like this happened a lot today. It was hard. Okay, trade number 2. I think this was the same play, but it needed to shake out a little bit. I got back in, got slipped. I was trying to get close to the headshot there, but I couldn't. I got a little bit slipped.
Two finger NQ on the MNQ on the 4. Alpha Omega down
This one was
MNQ
much
on the
better.
4. Enigma long on
Took
the
half
MNQ4.
off.
Harmonica down MNQ on the 4. Enigma short on the MNQ4. Alpha Omega up
And I was
MNQ on the
looking
4.
here with the
Alpha Omega
Enigma,
up
green
MNQ on the
Enigma,
4. Harmonica
looking
MNQ
to
on the
go
4.
even further, but it didn't.
Enigma long on the MNQ.
I mean, it went a little bit, but not much. Yeah, here you can see the play from before. Now, here I was looking for a short. Sellers come in, I step in. We have Super Enigma Power Moonshot at the top on the 4s. We have an AO on the 6s, AO at the balls on the 9s, and the break of a dot on the wave. Look how much better a short side was.
Alpha Omega MNQ on the 6.
Order.
NQ on the Alpha Omega MNQ on the 4. Divergence up MNQ on the 4.
And now I've seen that the shorts are way better than longs this day. Of course, look at the tide and the wave all slanting down. Here I went short again. What was this? Okay, yeah, this was a piercer of the blue dot. I was looking here, before I was looking for a long to go trap of the long on the trap. It's marked by the white line, but we didn't get the trap explosion, so I switched sides.
MNQ on the 4. Alpha Omega up NQ on the 6. Alpha Omega up MNQ on the 4.
Look again, just you get in and you're instantly 50 ticks on profit. Here I wanted to trail it. This was my I was hoping to trail, but at this point it should be clear to me that there's like a lot of whippiness and there's not much room to trail trades, because you get whipped out and then it goes and then it stalls. Okay, so here Enigma on the 4s, dot almost an HMD on the 6s, and a dot on the wave here. We could use a little bit more confluence, but again I was going long, which is not ideal on a day like this.
Exit.
Yeah, look, boom, stopped out. Here, okay. Here we had quite a lot of confluence. Ball dots on the wave and tide, dot on the still holding on the 9s, Super AO on the 4, Super AO, I think with, what is that, maybe an Enigma also in there, I can't see it correctly, on the 6s. So let's see.
Alpha Omega down Alpha Omega
shot appearing on the 9s.
Double Delta MNQ on the 4. Enigma short on the MNQ4. Harmonic MNQ on the 36. Harmonic MNQ on the 4. Harmonic MNQ on the 4.
Order filled.
Yeah, halved it here after I saw what happened.
Harmonic Alpha Omega down MNQ on the 4.
Yeah, look, but
Double
it went.
NQ on the 9.
Here I took half off.
Alpha Omega up MNQ on the 4. Enigma long on
Should have just closed it. Like, I left so much money on the table today by not closing it. And now an Enigma appeared on the 9s as well, but it didn't work out. Yeah. Today, just by taking 50s, I would have walked away way better than I did.
NQ on the 6. Double delta
Basically, I
NQ
had a small winning, they could be way
on
bigger.
the 4.
Okay, another long. Superpower headshot on the 4s. Let's see, switch dot on the 9s. Super AO on the 6s. Super AO on the wave. But again, long, which wasn't the ideal direction. So let's see what happens here.
Alpha Delta ES on the 1.
Order cancel.
Harmonic MNQ on the 6. Alpha Omega up MNQ on the 4.
Order filled.
Here
Shift
I
NQ
played
on the
without a stop and I just closed it because I didn't want to go too much far off my stop. Okay, I think this is gonna be a short. Let's see, yep, enter short. This was, yeah, again, pink dots on the wave and the 9s, AOs all over the place on the 4s and the 4s as well. Look by comparison how much better the short side was today.
Tank NQ on the 89. Alpha Omega MNQ on the 4.
Order.
Alpha Omega MNQ on the
Order
6. Alpha
filled.
Omega MNQ on the 4. Double delta ES on the 1.
Order. Order filled. Order submitted.
Off again.
Alpha Omega up MNQ on the 4. Divergence up NQ on the 9. Alpha Omega up MNQ on the 4. Alpha Omega up MNQ on the 4.
Order.
Alpha Omega up
Just
NQ
close
on the
it.
6.
So yeah, that was it. Key takeaways today. Should have taken much more off, like all of it from the table when we were whipping like that, and should have stayed heavier on the short side and maybe even ignore a little bit of trades from the long side, and it would have been better. But overall I ended in a small green today. So yeah, that's it.